Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1984 Rover SD1 Vitesse. This casting is by Matchbox, new for 2025. Before we deep dive into the casting, let me show you one thing. So a lot of you might have known that Rover was a British company. I don't think it's there anymore, but if you see here, Rover is a registered trademark of Jaguar Land Rover, which in turn was licensed by British Motor Heritage Limited. So yeah, I think Jaguar, Land Rover, I think Mini at one point, all of these were under British Motor Corp. So they were all like a group of vehicles. Yeah, a bit about the history. Now let's focus back to the casting. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Rover SD1 out of its box. First thing you will notice is the red paint job. Looks really like, Maserati of that era. It's still a Rover. Let's start from the front. So up front, you got a nicely detailed front end with detailed headlamp, a Rover badge, turn indicators, and this black bumper, which is very, 1980s and early 1990s design. The lower part is red. They used to have the strap bumper. Also, you can see you got both the mirrors, a small scoop in the hood. You got windshield wipers. And let's move to the driver's side. It's a British car, so right-hand drive. So on the driver's side, you can see these wheels, which we have seen on a lot of different Matchbox cars. Looks like old steel wheels with hub. You also got this black trim piece going from front to the back to the black bumper, front and back. You've got detailed door handles. It's a four-door car, so you've got door handles on both of them. I do like how they have painted this black B and C pillar. Looks nice. Also, you can see the spoiler here from this side. Let's come with a spoiler. Well, the name suggests French and fast, so I'm assuming it's a faster version of the car. Let's move to the back. Again, good details here. Detailed tail lamp, number plate that reads RVR61, spoiler, black bumper like the front, and you can see it says Rover with this here. Also, there is a windshield wiper in the back, so I'm assuming it's a notchback rather than a sedan. The whole thing comes up like a hatch. I'm assuming that. I also see the cut lines here, so might be. Oh, you also can see a cut line for the sunroof on the top. Now to the passenger side, almost identical, the only difference being the fuel filler cap here. Interior is done in tan and has some minor details, nothing special in the interior. And since it's part of moving line, the hood opens up, but it opens up in a different direction. So let me see if I can open it up and show you. So this is how the hood opens up. And you can see there's the engine bay, and it's got some nice details. As you can see, the black piece, the engine is painted in yellow. You can also see the place where the suspension or shock absorber will be mounted. So good details there. And it does open up like this, the unconventional way. Yeah, so overall it looks like a nice casting, and I love when Matchbox does these cars which are which are not like luxury sports car, but regular cars, special version of them. They look really good, and I always want to have something like that in my collection. Well, that's what I think about this casting. Let me know how do you feel about this one. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.